Hi, in this demo, we will look at how we can take a backup of the control file with both the options that we saw in the lecture video. First, let's run an alternate database backup control file to trace. This will create a SQL file which would be present in the diagnostic destination. Let's go there under Oracle Home, Diag, RDBMS, and then the database non-CDB, within which there is a folder in which we will have a trace file folder, in which we see that a new trace file is created based on the command that we issued. And opening the file, we get to see that there is a script that is created. There are two options. One is a reset logs and another no reset logs. We will discuss about these later. In this, we see that there is a create control file command, which includes the log files, data files that are part of this database. So you can use it to recreate the control file at any given time. Now, let's move to the second option, where we take a backup of the control file in the binary format itself. To do that, we run the command alter database backup control file to destination, which would be, in our case, U01 app Oracle. I have a directory called backup in which I'm creating a file with this name. Let's go and see what is created there. In the backup, we see a control file binary copy created, which can be used at any given time to restore the control file. How we will restore the control file, we will see in a later video, but these are the two ways in which you can take a backup of a control file.